Assalamualaikum. My name is Hassan Tarak. Today we discuss how we can create contact us form in our website. You can see there is a one form where name, email, phone number and comment or message. You can see this is form in our website. So in this video we learn how we can create this form. Actually why you need this form? We already add our WhatsApp button in this website. I already create video on this. You can find a link in description and watch this video how you can add WhatsApp button in your website. So why we need this form? Sometime you are not available on live chat and customer visit to your website and he fill this form and it's when he fill this form and write there his requirement and press submit button, it's go to on your mail. When you open your email you can check whatever inquiry you receive. So for example, one user come in my website and here he write his phone number and he write, hey, I need your product. So when he press here submit button, so there is one option coming, thanks for connecting us, we will be touch with you shortly. So if you don't want live chat in your website, you simply add this form so customer easily can contact with you. So we submit this form and if we go in our Gmail, we just refresh. You can see we receive we fill form on website and we receive this message in our Gmail. So in this video we will learn step by step how we can create this form. First of all, you need to add one plugin. You just simply go on your plugin. And there is one plugin is called WordPress Forms. You need to install this plugin. You can see I already have installed in my website. This name is WordPress Form Lite. So I simply copy and I delete this plugin to teach you how you can install this plugin and set up. I simply deactivate this form and delete this. You can see. So to add this form, you simply need to go on add new plugin. After that, you need to search here WordPress Form Lite. You can see in first result, we can see WordPress Form Easy Form Builder for WordPress. You also read this plugin review. This is 6 million plus active installation and it's amazing review. You just simply need to click on install now button. After that, you need to activate this plugin. You simply press on activate. You can see in our plugin menu, you can see there is WordPress form menu come. So you can create different form as per your requirement. You simply need to go add new. You can see this plugin is loading and you can create any form that you want. So this form already have some template. If you want to use this template, you simply click use template and you can use. If you want to create your new form, you just click on blank form. You simply click on create blank form. So there is many widgets. You can see single line text, paragraph text, drop down menu, multiple choice, checkbox, number, name, email, like whatever you need for creating a form, there is already available form according to your requirement. If, for example, let's suppose we need a customer name, customer email, and customer phone number, and one small message like what customer want or any question, any query. So we make a very simple form. You can see there is option add fields. You can add many fields like text, paragraph, drop down menu, multiple choice, checkbox, like everything that you want there is available. So first of all, we simply click here name. You can see there is name field come. Name, first name, last name. After that, we need a number. We need email. Let's suppose we need email, and after that, we need one drop down menu. You can make, there is choice like first choice products, second choice like service, and third choice information. Like we create three choice. So basically when user click here and it show three different choice. So after that we need a drop down menu and one more field. We need a paragraph, like we need text paragraph. So customer here write his message, whatever he want, customer is right. So there is our name, email, drop down, and paragraph text. You also edit this heading text, like here you can add please write your inquiry, like whatever you want you can edit and read. So we simply save. We need to click on save button and you can see we create a one form. You need to go on setting and there is notification setting. You can see by default our notification setting is like it's sent to email in our admin email, and you can change this setting, email subject line, form name, or from email, and you can write here all email. By default this email notification go on our admin email. So you simply need to save. After, you need to go back and there is one question, how we can add this contact us form. You can see we create our form. So next step is how we can add this form to our WordPress page. So there is many option. We follow shortcut option. So you simply need to copy this shortcut and you just copy this shortcut, whatever form you want to integrate on your page, and you need to go on your page. Let's suppose we add this form in our contact us page. So you need to edit your page. Where is contact us? We edit with Elementor. If you don't know about Elementor, please comment. I make also video on Elementor, how you can easily create a website page with Elementor. So we need to add form here. You can see there is already one form, that is contact us form. So we need to add our new form. I show you. I simply delete this and I add. Let's suppose I want to add there. So you make new selection and we need a container. After that, in Elementor, you can go in plus icon and here you need to search short code. You can see there is a shortcut widget. You just drag and drop on your selection and after that you need to paste here shortcut. You remember we copy shortcut from this form. Where is go? You can see every form have one shortcut. You can see there is a form shortcodes. So we need to integrate this form that we create in this video. So we copy this shortcode and go on there and simply paste. After that you can see the form come in our page. If I go on publish, so stylish legacy, contact us, you can see we successful add this form in our website. Before I using other form, in this video I create new form and integrate on my website using Elementor website. If you have any question, you can write in comment. I will try to my best to solve your problems. And if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Allah Hafiz. Take care.